a Milton one. It's a proper.
Produced 2 episodes of ER way back when, where he took the soundtrack.
Are we holding this?
Oh look! It's like people do it for luck, don't they?
Oh, is that it?
I think so. All of these little markings. There's loads of them in this one.
Yeah.
Little, almost circle ones. Circle one there. So interesting, it's almost like swirled around.
Yeah.
What's that caused by? Another heron. Is he looking at us?
Yeah.
Or is he looking at a fish?
No, he's looking at you.
Not sure if you guys can see, but someone has decided to join me for my breakfast. A little robin. Oh, hey guys, long time no see. I actually saw you 2 days ago, so that is a lie, because I'm going somewhere very exciting tonight. I'm going to the premiere of The Pit and the launch, like the screening launch of HBO Max in the UK, which as a girlie who wants to do emergency medicine is so exciting to me. For any of you who don't know, The Pit is like an American emergency department drama. I think each, oh, there's a fly. I think each episode follows like one shift in the ER, so I'm very excited to go and see episode 1. And then there's like a Q&A with Noah Weil, I think that's how you say his name, who is the kind of like creator of the series and also plays the main doctor in it. So, as you can see, I have washed my hair. I've got a face mask on. It's the Oh, did I bring it in with me? I don't think I brought it in with me. Let me grab it. It's this one. Let me try and get it to focus. Clarins Cryo Flash Cream Mask. Basically, it just makes your face feel really cold and tightens your skin up. Look, I don't know whether it actually works or not, but it feels good on my skin. I always feel like my skin looks good after I use it, so I'm going to carry on using it. Hashtag not an ad, hashtag not sponsored. But yeah, really excited for tonight, and I'm alone in my boyfriend's house, so I thought I would vlog and take you along with me in the getting ready process, so we feel like we're getting ready together and we're going to go to the premiere. Ah! Coffee is very much needed right now. So I have a little coffee, and how good do these look? I think I'm going to go for this one. Okay, makeup is pretty much done. I know the blush looks like a lot, but blush is the first thing that like comes off of your face, so I always overdo it a little bit on the blush and then it kind of fades. I might, it looks really pale on camera, it's not that pale in real life. I might do a little bit of extra bronzer though, and then I will obviously do lips and top up my mascara just before I leave. I like to kind of have my makeup on in quite good time, because then I like to do my hair. I like to do makeup, hair, then outfit, and I also like my makeup to sit and sink into my face a little bit. I think it just looks better. That might be literally crazy, but that's my theory. So I am just gonna straighten my hair, just going for really long, straight, simple hair vibes. I didn't want to do too much with the outfit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to feel kind of nervous. Just because I've never been to anything like this before. And I am also slightly concerned that my outfit, like, have I gone too hard on my outfit? And then I remind myself, no, Summer, a wise woman once said there is no such thing as being overdressed. And I would rather be overdressed than underdressed. And my outfit is kind of like classic, like you can't go wrong with a pinstripe suit. But, you know, the fear is still there, isn't it? The fear is, unfortunately, always going to be there with these things. I think, you know, even at like massive events, people get nervous, so I'm telling myself it's fine that I'm nervous, because I'm just a baby. I really don't know who else is going to be there. Like, I've not heard who else is going in terms of like other creators I might know, or other friends in the industry. I don't think you can really call it an industry. I don't think I'm making enough from it or have enough of an audience to call it an industry just yet. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm going to reframe it. I'm not nervous, I'm excited. Okay, this is the finished look. Is that zoomed in? There we go. And matching trousers. And I'm wearing high heels with it. I don't think I'm going to take this camera with me to the screening just in case it's not allowed in. So I'm going to switch to my phone and see you there. And then I basically didn't film very much because I got quite nervous and there was actual proper famous people there, which I just really wasn't expecting, to be honest. Like, when they said there was going to be a Q&A with Noah Weil, aka Dr. Robbie, I thought, you know, a little Zoom moment. I didn't think he would be sat on the stage literally right in front of me, but hey, I am not complaining. The other thing I'm not complaining about is the fact that I got invited to this. Like, who I would class as bigger medfluencers than me were not there. And I don't know if they said no or whatever, but I just felt very lucky to be there. And I just want to thank anyone who has ever watched anything that I post on my silly little social medias, because your support does not go unappreciated or unnoticed. And I love all of you very, very, very much. Hey divas, it is a bank holiday Sunday. Tomorrow is bank holiday Monday, and for some reason, unknown to even myself, I've decided to book a locum. It's only a 5-hour one, cheeky little 5 hours in ED. How crazy can we get? Don't want to jinx that, but I've got my coffee. I've sat in the car eating lunch, I guess you could call it lunch. It's what, 10 to 5? And I'm gonna brave it. I'm gonna go inside. Let's see what this brings. Oh, hey! It's now the next morning. It's about 20 to 9. I've got about an hour and 20 minutes before I need to get out the house. I don't know if I've told you what I'm doing today, but last night I had a cheeky little 5-hour shift in A&E. It was actually, guys, it feels illegal to say this, but A&E was actually not too manic last night. Hello? Like, in ambulatory, I think the wait time was down to like an hour and a half or something like that. Unheard of. Literally unheard of. Anyway, today I'm going to London because I'm filming with the Scrubs company who sponsor me, called NIMS, and we're filming with QuesMed. And if you're a medic, just know that QuesMed and some other available platforms were the backbones of my academic career back at med school. Whether I will still have that academic prowess now is something that we'll need to find out today. So I'm going to have coffee, have some breakfast, dry my hair, do some makeup, get on the road. Okay, I've done most of my makeup. I'm just going to do my mascara on the train, and then this is what I'm wearing to travel in, and I'm taking my scrubs, going to get changed there. So I will see you there, guys. I'm tired. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. I've just seen a fly. I've just seen a fly. It's that time of year, guys. It is fly in the bedroom season. I might need to revise. Like, saying things on the spot is so hard. So hard. It makes you realise the real difference between having knowledge as a doctor and then having knowledge as like a medical student to answer exams, because there's those certain trigger words, and everyone who's been a medical student will know what I'm talking about when I say this, where it like when you're a student you remember it a lot better because you're passing exams. But yeah, every time I go to London, whenever I think of London, I think to myself, I love London, but then I go there and I spend a little bit of time there and I want to leave. And then as soon as I'm back in the green rolling hills of more north in England, I'm a very happy lady. A very happy lady indeed. But I'm also a very tired lady. I don't know if I'll carry on vlogging. Maybe I'll carry on vlogging this week. Who knows? If this is the end of the vlog, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok as well if you want. But it's my least favourite app, I will be honest. And I shall see you next time. Bye!